BCOM 301 has 6 topics related to business communication. The first one is just really the first week, and that's where we lay the foundations. It's Chapter 1 with the title and each of the objectives. This document works through in a similar way. Topic 2, the job search process, covers 2 chapters, but I have 2 weeks on this chapter 14 because I know that the job search process is paramount on your minds. Then the third topic is what we call the 3-step writing process. It's not rocket science. It's planning, writing, and completing through three chapters, and again, the objectives are all listed. The fourth topic is the biggie. It's the analytical research paper and team skill development. You will learn more about this as we enter the course. That will have Chapter 10 and 11, and you will probably have to refer to those chapters before we actually get to them because of the extensive nature of this analytical report. Then the 5th one is oral business presentations with PowerPoint, and there's the chapter, and there are the objectives. You will be doing an oral business presentation with your team, either on YouTube or, very popular now, VoiceThread. And then finally, we end the course with digital channels of communication, routine positive messages, and then negative messages. Well, this is just meant to give you an overview. See you soon.